What is the ruling on abandoning mother tongue and switching to English? I think people generally should give importance to their languages. Yani if you speak Urdu, you shouldn't abandon your Hindu. Don't abandon your language, because you need to talk to your people. So don't leave your culture and your language. A lot of people, when they start practicing, they abandon their culture and their identity and their country. The Prophet ﷺ, he loved his people, he loved his culture, alayhi salatu wasalam. So it's something one should not abandon and leave off. I only just don't speak in the Somali language because there are scholars in the Somali language, so they don't need me to give them reminders here or there. So the Somali language, Allahumma barik, they are big senior scholars, big scholars. So there's no need for someone like myself to speak in that language. Just the same way when it comes to Arabic, I don't teach in Arabic because there's ulama in the Arabic language, so I just leave it. Maybe the English language, I can contribute something small in there as well. But even in the English language, there are great, noble, senior students of knowledge, better than myself.